Library in Ennis, and today we are making a cherry blossom tree using our hand and our fingers. So we'll show you how to get started. So first you need a piece of paper and your hand. So you can just pop your hand down on the piece of paper, and you're just going to draw an outline of your fingers using your pencil, and they will be the branches of the tree. Now, there you go. There's your fingers. Next we're going to colour in the branches with the brown paint. So how we make the brown paint is we use the blue, yellow and red paint and mix them all together to get the colour brown. Okay, so then we just very carefully, if you've got a little paintbrush, it might be better than my big one, but just very carefully paint all your fingers in. Okay, so then you will end up with your branches coloured like this, and then to get the pink we'll mix the red and the white together and add a little bit of water, and I actually also just left plain red, plain white and a little bit of green for the leaves. Okay, so you can just either get your paintbrush and you can paint your fingers and stamp them round, or else you can even just pop your finger in and just kind of brush it against the side and off you go. Okay, and I use actually different fingers for different colours. It doesn't matter what way you do it, just make it look pretty and do it your way, and that's it. So have fun making that, and we'll see you again in Dead Valera. Bye.